Hello and welcome to the Roofing Channel. I'm Brandon Hafley and thanks so much for stopping by. We hope you stick around because today we're talking about how long a metal roof lasts. Let's get into it. Number 1, screw down metal roof. Now, if you've watched any of our other content, you know that we're not super thrilled about screw down metal roofs, but you can still get about 30 years out of a screw down metal roof if you get the proper maintenance for it, but you're gonna need a lot of maintenance for it. Screw down metal roofs are very tightly screwed down, and they don't really have the room to expand and contract when things get hot and cold, which means that as it does so, the screws are gonna start to wallow out over time. And rather than being able to just screw those screws back in, you need to get a roofing company out there to screw in a larger screw so that it'll actually remain tightly fastened down and you won't get a leak. This means lots of maintenance compared to other roofing systems to get the full lifespan out of a screw down metal roof. For that reason, we don't recommend it over any heated areas so that it's not going to get hot and cold that often. We recommend it over unheated areas like a garage. Number 2, standing seam metal roof. Now, standing seam metal roofs are kind of like the more successful older brother of screw down metal roofs. You should get at the very least 30 years, which is screw down metal roof's maximum, out of a standing seam metal roof, but with good maintenance, you could expect to get up to 50 years. The reason being is that standing seam metal roofs are designed to expand and contract as things get hotter and colder. That means 1, you're not going to have to get nearly as much maintenance, and 2, you don't have to worry about your standing seam metal roof failing early. The only maintenance you'll want to get is to inspect other roofing components like your flashing and your pipe boots just to see if they have any leaks. Even then, you're going to have to get maintenance way less often than you will for both screw down metal roofs and for other roofing systems. It doesn't matter if you get a screw down or a standing seam metal roof, if you don't get a good contractor to install it for you, it's going to fail early. To find out how to find one that's good for you, click on the link below and watch our video on how to find a good and reputable roofing contractor. I'm Brandon Hafley with the Roofing Channel. If you enjoyed this little video, then consider subscribing to the Roofing Channel and possibly dropping a like on this video. It means a lot to us and it helps a small channel like us grow. But thank you so much for watching. Remember to take care of yourself. No matter what happens in life, you're still number 1. See you next time.